Everyone, it is Monday, December 21st, 2020, and today we're going to start something called the Mini History of Project, and our objective is I can use primary and secondary sources to gather information on a specific topic. So after we watch this mini lesson video, you will fill out a pod where you're going to select a specific person or an invention or food or anything else to complete this mini history of project, and we have some teacher models. Um, your teachers have pulled together like a list of just some suggestions. So you could pick like AirPods be a specific invention, some specific people, a specific sports team, so on and so forth, that you're going to answer a couple questions on to create a little project for people to get to know more about something that you really like. So we want you to pick something that you really enjoy. And we have broken down exactly what your project must include, the who, when, and where of whatever your choice is, which again, you're going to fill out a pod and answer these questions so you can easily just copy and paste the work that you do in the pod into your project. We want you to use at least 3 pictures. Graphics really help us like understand more about something. We would love an explanation as to why you picked this topic. And then, we're getting like the basics in this first part. And then this bullet 4 is at least 2 fun facts. So, like, 2 other really interesting things about the topic that you selected that you want to share with your classmates. There's a watch and listen and screenshot of the rubric in the Padlet, the next column over, so you can see how you will be scored on this project. We want to be focusing on the 3 out of 3 column. Since you will have to do your own outside research, we have suggested some starter sentences that you can use to do your research so that you can answer the who, the when, and the where. So if you basically type in this sentence and swap out whatever word is in italics, you will be able to successfully get this information. And you can make your presentation using any of these apps, either through TeachHub or whatever's already downloaded on your iPad. Making a video is another option, and then another option is, of course, you can make a poster. So we have some teacher models where Miss Rogers talks about the history of the piano, Mr. Griffin talks about a mini history of the Appalachian Trail, and then Ms. Chef talks about the history of ski education. So you should check these out to see how your teachers answered the who, the when, and the where questions, explained why they selected this specific topic, and then provided at least 2 fun facts along with at least 2 pictures. So now that we've sort of gone through, we are going to get started, and the first step is to identify in this pod the exact topic that you're going to focus on. So again, we want you to pick a topic that you are actually interested in, and it's something that you enjoy, and you have 3 minutes to do this, and then we'll share out so we can hear all of the really cool topics that our classmates are doing.